Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kobe and this is SkyTech Digital. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to customize your WooCommerce email template. So as you can see over here, this is my new template that I just customized, and I have social media icons over here. I also have change all the colors and everything, and I have the my logo also over here. So I'm going to show you how you can be able to customize this kind of templates in your WooCommerce shop, so that it wouldn't take the default WooCommerce template, but it's going to take the new template that you have been able to set up. So let's jump into the video and start designing the new template. Alright guys, so let's take a look at the WooCommerce email template and see how it looks like now. Then we can go ahead and then customize it. So we're going to go to WooCommerce over here, and we're going to go to settings over here. So we want to see how the template looks like, and then if you like it, we can leave it. But if we feel like, oh, we can add some things to it, then we'll go ahead and then customize it. So we're going to go to email over here, the email tabs, or the emails tab. Okay, so we'll go over there, and then I'll show you how the templates look like. So this is the email template over here, and we're gonna click on preview. So we'll click over here to preview it and see how it looks like. Alright guys, so this is how it looks like, and as you can see previously, from my previous video, what I did was I just changed the color over here, and then also remove the WooCommerce over here, and then change it to build with SkyTech Digital. So that is exactly what I have done, and this is what you have over here. So this is the boring one that I'm talking about. It doesn't have any logo. It doesn't apart from this one over here, it still doesn't depict your website. So we want to recreate it and then see how it looks like. So if you also want to see how it looks like in the email, let me just open one email address that I just sent or bought something from the website. I want to see the email they sent me. I want to see how it looks like over there. All right, so this is my email. I want to go to the ones that I view, and this is it. Okay, electro shop. This is 1 and then 2. Okay, so and the first one was an account that I opened. The second one was also the something I bought. Okay, so I'm just going to go to the account first. Now you see how the account looks like. So this is how the account email looks like. Okay, so when you create an account on the website, this is how this is the email that you get. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Now let's go to the next one, which is the order details. Okay, so if you buy something, you're gonna receive this order details over here. So basically this is how it looks like. Okay, this is exactly how it looks like. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to recreate or redesign the whole page over here. Okay, so to be able to do that, we will use a plugin. So I'm going to install a plugin. I'm going to go to plugins over here and then click on installed plugins, and then we can go ahead and click on add new plugin, or you can just hover on plugins and then click on add new plugin, just like that. But I'm going to use this button over here. It doesn't make any difference. I just feel like I want to use this one. All right, so over here I'm going to search for customizer. Okay, so customizer, and I just leave it at customizer, and I will be looking for let me see this particular one over here. So the Ymail WooCommerce email customizer, this is what I'm looking for. Okay, so this is what I'm going to use to customize my my emails, WooCommerce emails. So I'm going to click on install now, and I'll click on activate. All right, so now that I've installed and activated it, let's look at how it looks like. So where is it? it is over here. Okay, so we can click on start customizing, or you see that we have this year over here. Yeah, we can just click on it to go to email, or you can check the settings of, you know the settings of the year mail or other plugins that they have. But I'm going to just click on start customizing. And what this email plugin does is it pull all the WooCommerce emails into their dashboard. It is a drag and drop, dashboard over here, and you're gonna get all the WooCommerce emails over here, so you can be able to customize each one of them. Okay, so for instance, this is the new order email. Right now, let's say I don't want to customize this one, but I want to customize maybe different one like order fill. Right, I can click on it, and then I'll be able to customize the order fill email. Okay, I can also go ahead and say maybe I want to customize maybe new account. Okay, so I'll click on new account, and as you can see, this is it. I can be able to go ahead and then customize it the way I want it. Okay, so basically this is how it works. Now let's go to new order over here and then try to edit it. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to click on this, wherever you want to edit, just click on it, and then the left side panel will open the edit side for you. And then over here, all what I'll do is I'll click on change logo. Then I'm going to bring my logo that I want to use over there. So let's say I want to use this particular white logo over here. Oh no, not the white logo, sorry. I want to use the black logo because I want people to see. Okay, so I'll go over here and then choose the black logo over here, and it's gonna be something like this. And of course, you can increase the width to any size that you want depending on how you want it. Okay, so let's say I want to make it like a 300. Okay, so let me just leave it here like that. Now of course, this is how I want it. You can go ahead and even customize it more, like change background, set URL to it. So if you want people to click on it and go back to your shop, so I will be able to set maybe URL link to it. So let me see, let me just copy this one and come over here and paste it over here. Okay, so just so that when somebody hover on it, the person can be able to click on it, and then it will go to the particular URL. Now I'm going to also go ahead and customize this part of it, and you see that it is in part. Okay, so wherever you want to customize, just click on it, and then it will the edit session will open for you. So I want to change the background. So with this one, I want to change the background to like the orange color that we are using. So I'm gonna go ahead, let me see. Yeah, so I'm gonna drag this one to maybe this way. Let me just deepen it a little bit. All right, so this is quite okay. I like this color. It's orange and hot orange. Okay, so I like it. So of course, that is it. Now you can even change this one. Instead of new order, let's say you are doing investment packages. Okay, you can go ahead and then say maybe new investment. Okay, and this is how it's gonna what it's gonna be like, right? And then over here we can also change this one. You've received the following order from blah blah blah. So I'll say you've received the following investment. Instead of order, I'll say investment. So I'm just trying to let you know how you can be able to customize this one, make it custom to fit every website that you want. Okay, so that is it. I'm gonna click over here to also customize this place, and then with this one, all what I need to do is to just whatever I want to change or whatever I want to do, just change it. Now, but unfortunate thing is you can change the titles, you can change all these things. Okay, so but certain things maybe you cannot play around it. Okay, and that is it. But of course you can be able to change it. So like for instance, this is total, I'll say maybe total investment. Okay, so basically just to let you know that this is how you can be able to change it and all those things. Now let's go over here, and since we are using this hot pink orange color, I want to copy this orange color and come over here, and then um where is it, this one, yeah, and then I want to change the title to that particular hot orange. Okay, so basically something like this. Now come to this place also, and then I can be able to also change this color to the hot orange that I'm using. Let me just click on it, the hot orange that I'm using, and then I'll this links, I'll change it later. Okay, and then over here also you can say congratulations on your investment or whatever it is. Okay, you can just change it over here depending on how you want it. And then with the last one also, you can also, instead of built with WooCommerce, you can decide to remove WooCommerce from there and just type in anything that you want to type in. Okay, so let's say I want to say maybe designed by Kitech Digital. Okay, so basically something like this is quite okay. All right, so now you can even put a link on it. Okay, so that when somebody hover on it, the person will be able to go to that particular page. Okay, so I'm gonna just put what link, let's say this particular link. Yeah, so Kitech tutorials.com. Okay, I'm gonna put this one over here, and then you can give it a text to display title, and then a target also over here. So I'm gonna just make it like this, right? So now everything is quite okay, and then I can go ahead and add some few things. Okay, so for instance, let me go back to the editor over here, and then I can drag in anything I want to drag. So for instance, if I want to drag a social icon over here, I can just drag it over here, or let me just drag it just here. Okay, so this is quite okay. So as you can see, you can have social icons over here. Okay, everything makes your website really custom. Okay, so that is basically it. Even with this one, I can decide to change the background color over here. Okay, and then maybe make it the color that we are using, just like this. And then the text color, I could change it to maybe white. Okay, and that is it. Now if I want to change this link color, I have to change it from the settings of this edit filter. So I can go ahead and go over here to settings, and then I just need to go to general over here, and as you can see, I can go through all the general settings. Let's go to email settings over here, and this is a link over here. Okay, so over this one, I can change this link to maybe black. Okay, and then I can save it. All right, so you see it's changed to black over here. Now let me go to the footer also over here and see if there is a link color over here. So if there is no link color, then I don't understand why it's not changing. So there is no link color over here, but it is not changing over here. So let me just see why this one is not changing. So since it's not changing, then the only thing you can do is to make sure that you get a color that the foreground color should be a color that will be able to match whatever thing that you are doing. So let me just click over here and see. Okay, there's nothing over here. So what I'll do is I'll just go back and then change the foreground color to any darker color or something like that. Okay, so basically this is quite okay. And then even this one is not what I want, so I'm gonna just bring it back to something like this. And then the text, I'll just make it more darker. All right. So since we've changed this link, I'm gonna go back over there and change it to a different color. So I'm gonna change it to the color that we were using. um Let me try and see if it will work. Okay, yeah. So that it matches everything that we are doing. So as you can see, this one looks professional, this one looks good. You can design it anyhow you want. You can bring in, different widgets or elements into here. Okay, so if you want to change something over here, you just click on it and then you change it. If you want to bring even a video, image, list, image box, you can do so many things. Okay, if you come over here, also this is the general settings, and then we also have WooCommerce settings also over here. Okay, so you can bring shipping address, billing address, shipping address, and then order form. You can even bring order item download, and then the hook and all those kind of stuff. So there are more that you can add to it. Okay, so when you feel like you're okay, you can go ahead and then save it, and then it will be saved. Okay, so this is the email template that will work for my website. Of course, you can go ahead and then change all of them just like the way I have done it, but I'm not going to go ahead and do all of them because the video will be very, very long. Okay, so since I've been able to do this one for you, then I guess you can be able to go ahead and then customize all the pages or all the templates that you want for your e-commerce website. So this is how you can be able to customize your emails templates in WooCommerce. If you install this plugin, it gives you access to so many things that you can be able to use, to so many elements that you can be able to use to recreate or create this, or design or make it custom. Okay, so you can make this one custom, and it's nice, it's beautiful, and you can use it on all your e-commerce website. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Let's grow together. My name is Kobe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.